In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix expired links in Telegram. If you've ever tapped a Telegram invite and seen that it's expired, don't worry, this usually comes down to a few simple causes, and there are straightforward ways to resolve it. First, know that many Telegram invite links are created with limits. They might expire after a certain amount of time or after a certain number of people use them. If you are not an admin of the group, the most reliable fix is to request a fresh link from a group admin or from the person who originally shared it with you. Let them know the invite shows as expired, and ask for a new one. When they generate a new link, it will bypass the old time or usage limit so you can join successfully. If you are the group admin, you can generate a new invite right from the chat settings. Open the group. Go to the group's info or management screen and look for the invite link or invite links section. Create a new link there so it replaces the one that ran out. This ensures new members can join without hitting the expired message. If you share the link widely, consider keeping track of how many times it's been used so you know when to refresh it again. Here is another common situation. If you were previously in the group but were removed, an invite might look expired even when it isn't. That's because Telegram prevents removed users from rejoining until they're cleared by an admin. In this case, ask a group admin to open group settings, find the removed users list, and remove you from that list. Once you are cleared, the invite should work normally and you can rejoin without issues. Finally, sometimes the Telegram app just needs a refresh to update the status of a link. Close the app completely and reopen it. Then try the link again. If that doesn't help, log out and back in, or try the link on another device where you are signed in. This can clear cached information that makes a valid link appear expired. Follow the scenario that fits your situation and you should be back in the group quickly. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.